A new asphalt surface is only as strong as the foundation beneath it. That's why proper site preparation is one of the most important stages of the entire project. Once demolition is complete, we establish elevations, verify drainage, and begin building a stable subbase designed for long-term performance. In many cases, we uncover unsuitable materials, organic soils, or previous repairs that need to be addressed before construction can continue. At Valrock Development Limited, we typically use a premium road-based material that contains well-graded aggregates and fines. When properly compacted, the particles lock together to create a dense, stable foundation while still allowing water to migrate through the base, instead of becoming trapped beneath the asphalt. In British Columbia's wet climate, quality subbase materials and proper compaction are essential. Our crews compact the base to a minimum of 98% standard Proctor density, helping reduce settlement, improve load distribution, and provide a stronger foundation for the new asphalt surface. Every successful asphalt installation starts long before the asphalt arrives. It starts with the ground beneath it.